Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with GTA 5. While launching the game, you got an error of activation required. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I recommend to go ahead and launch the Rockstar Games launcher and make sure while launching it, you choose the option Run as Administrator. In this step, we are going to clear the local profiles. So click on the settings menu. In the left pane, click on the option account information and you will find the option of delete local profile. Click on it. Once it is deleted, your Rockstar Games will ask you to log in again. So go ahead and log in again onto your Rockstar Games launcher account and make sure you check mark the option auto sign in and then click on the option sign in. Once it is signed in, again close it. Now again launch Rockstar Games launcher as an administrator only. This is the mandatory requirement, so that's why I keep on saying that you must launch the Rockstar Games launcher only in the administrator mode. Now once it is launched, whatever the client you are using, Epic or Steam, right over here you will find the option of play on Epic or play on Steam. So you need to click on the option play on Epic or play on Steam and hopefully the issue of activation required has been fixed. If this failed to work out, first of all head over to settings menu. From the left pane, click on the option time and language and click on the option date and time. Right over here under the sync now, make sure you choose the option sync now to sync the time by the today's time, and under the set time automatically toggle on the option. After doing this, you need to launch your Steam. Launch the Steam, go to a library, and from here you need to add the Rockstar Games launcher as well as GTA 5 right over here by clicking on the option add a game and choose the option add a non-Steam game. Now you need to browse the game directory. So click on the option browse. At my end, the game is installed in F drive GTA 5 and here is GTA 5 exe file. Select the file and click on the option add selected program. Once the game is added, click on the option play right from here to fix out the issue of activation required. If this also failed, open up your Windows security. Click on option firewall and network protection and then click on the option advanced settings. Now in firewall rule, from the left pane, click on the option outbound rules and from here you need to find three different files. First one is GTA. If you find any file with the name GTA, right click and choose the option disable rule. Next file is social. So press the S key to find a social profile or social launcher. Again once you find it, right click and choose the option disable rule. And thirdly is Rockstar Games launcher. Again, if it is available right over here, do the same. Right click and choose option disable. All these three rules are not available in my system, that's why it is not showing. So make sure you disable the rule for all three exe files, GTA, Social Club launcher as well as Rockstar Games launcher. After disabling the rule, go ahead and launch the game and hopefully your issue will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.